Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Basit and you are watching Lois TV. Viewers, I hope you all are fine. Viewers, I want to share bad news in Karachi. So viewers, 5 days ago in Riyadi, 5-story building fell. Viewers, it's very sad news due to which 22 people died. Viewers, the biggest question, SBCA means Sindh Building Control Authority has ordered evacuate, but why didn't evacuate? Viewers, who is responsible in this accident? Viewers, the main reason of building fell. Viewers, building was made defective material. So viewers, building didn't bear the load. Viewers, we appeal that government of Pakistan please must solve this matter so that we can be safe in any incident. Inshallah. Thank you. Viewers, please share and like this video.